Welcome to Echowood Vale, a place that is meant to be a lot like Stardew Valley, but change everything. New characters, new stories, new quests, new areas, new enemies. It's just very loosely based on Stardew Valley. Now, it is very early in development, but as you can see, there are things made. You saw some of the enemies, some of the dirt being tilled, and you're kind of seeing a very long walk over to a burned down building, which will come into play later. And as you can see, it might be where you get your starting tools from. Now, the graphics do leave a bit to be desired, but they aren't intended to be of production quality yet. They're just meant to look like what they're supposed to be. The grass is grass, the dirt is dirt, and there is an enemy, and a sword, and a hoe, and not a whole lot else. But it does serve its purpose, and it will be updated and improved later. Now, there is a main menu, and you can choose the options. As you see here, there is the intro, or at least the makings of an intro. And this one here is the load game, which you already saw snippets of earlier. And then you have the result of going to options, which is not options, it's actually a shortcut to the introduction event scene. Naturally, being so early in development, you're gonna come across some bugs, such as the characters sliding across the ground without moving their feet. They're magic! But if you're anything like me, that's actually one of the benefits of doing something like this. You get to see those little things that aren't hashed out yet, like the black bar on the right. Now, don't get that twisted. A lot of work has been done, but I am the only one doing it, so of course, those issues are not always easy to clean out. But as you can see, I have been working on this a lot, and I have no intention of stopping. I do plan to take all feedback and use it to improve the game, because it's always better when the community is involved. So if you like the idea of improving a project and helping it along like this, right at the beginning, such as improving the look of this cave, then you're in the right place. Because I plan to do a lot of polls, suggestions, updates, and even incorporate some artwork if people wanted to donate because, well, if I use yours instead of my own, you do get perks, like your name in the game somewhere, or something on Patreon, because it is very important to me to appreciate each and every supporter.